Hello and welcome to the REA tutorial. My name is Peter. Today I'd like to show you how to integrate a data matrix code into an existing print layout on the Titan controller. Let's go. To integrate a data matrix code to an existing print layout, we want to go to the main menu by pressing Menu and choosing an existing label. In this case, I will choose the BBD XML, the BBD print layout. This was the one that you have seen in the main screen. And I want to add something, which in my case would be a data matrix code with the button F3. So I'm going to be asked for what do I want to integrate. In this case, I will choose a 2D